Hello, and welcome to the Solution Connection tutorial on categories and subcategories. First, log into Solution Connection and click on the search button. The query screen has three different sections. The search box is for free-form text search. This is covered in a different tutorial. Products, this is also covered in a separate tutorial. And categories. Categories are groups of features. There's category groups, and then there's categories themselves. As you can see, there are many. The way they're organized is that application categories are those that span the application. As compared to the one over called company. That's specific to the company file. And then there's particular category groups that are more self-explanatory. You got banking, employees, expenses and vendors, which is anything relating to it, including purchase orders and receiving, products and services, which also is the broad category of items, QuickBooks integration. So this is helpful for those products that integrate with QuickBooks financials, sales and customers, taxes, a whole bunch of reports, product download links. This is a handy dandy little tool to provide you with a link to where you can download the various products. Product licensing and notes covers kind of an overview on the product licensing for the particular products you are selecting. There's a whole group of different user level pricing. So in this case, there's one for 1 to 10 users, and then 11 to 20, and then over 20, and you can select any in between. The current pricing is retail only. Our roadmap includes the ability to include other pricing. That's TBD. And then there's the last one, which is retail pricing, hardware and supplies. You have the ability, just like with products, to be able to select a group of categories if you desire. So if you want to include all of the application categories, you click the button next to application and it selects all. You can deselect by checking off the ones you want to unselect. You can also click the checkbox next to application and it'll unselect the whole group. You can select multiple category groups. If you want to minimize the category groups, if you click next to where it says categories in the top left, as you can see, it minimizes. If you click again to the right of categories, it expands. Any combination of categories can be used. Some will make it more powerful and make your query more powerful than others. Our suggestion, play with it. We can spend hours doing different combinations of categories. It's kind of fun. Thank you for listening.